which you understand the truth, that what is truth. Now let me just try to show you that why, whether no wants to bring flood or not. Like most of the people says, like you can see here, the truth which I am talking about. Like beautiful thing matters, and this is the truth. Like many says Torah Niranjan Kaur, she said, I finished Judaism, I finished Torah of Moses, I made Torah of Moses genies to do taboo porn, I showed them adult videos. And Judaism, the same thing, Judaism genie says, I showed them adult videos, I showed them porn videos, I showed them naked pictures, or I forced them to do adultery or porn or taboo. Now what is the exactly reason? Same thing Christians said. Let me just try to show you what is the truth about Christianity and Judaism. Here you can see, I will try to fly to prove that I'm true, and I will just try to prove the truth, so nothing exactly happens. So what was the exactly truth which I'm talking about? I'll just try to levitate here. I prove that I'm true. Now the Judaism has become, if the Judaism has done porn or taboo or something happened, it was because of Niranjan Kaur. Niranjan Kaur, the genie, which I will assume that she is in Satnam Kaur genie. She says that she is Torah and she is in the last word of, she was in the last word of Torah, where now I have kept that as Nakta because I am original Torah. Who brought Torah in Muscat, Oman. From there, like America has come, and then before it Bible, then Torah, then many things has come. America, and then Canada. Anyways, so you understood that. So what was the reason? So I just tried to show the truth. So I prove that to prove that my witness is true, I will just levitate here, and I will not. I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm proving that I'm true, and like it is, I'll be levitating, and I prove that Torah is true, and I have not done sin. I have not done mistake. Now, if no wants to bring World War III, I want to know whether no wants to bring World War. I mean, not World War III. If no wants to bring flood or not, I just need a confirmation from the no family. Can you please tell me no if you want to bring flood or no? Because I'm only Torah, I want to know whether you want to bring a flood or not, or you want to detain Niran or for making your family or some family, including Adam, who came from my blood, from the here. So I want you to confirm me whether you want to like whether you want to bring flood or not, because the world has been corrupted according to Moses and many Torah genies. So the clear proof, I told you that the it happened because of someone who made the life bad of Judaism, Christianity, and Torah of Muslims, Bible genies, including, and many other genies, not all genies, I assume. So when because someone made me one god of time, they kept keeping sending me, giving me the sins and cases of them after making them something bad, and they don't let me do what they did with them, and they even call them in reality. They enjoy in Bollywood, Hollywood. They send them. They say that he must not see genies. They say I must not see genies. I must not hear genies. The perfect game of inalienability, something like I assume it's called something which you will never understand. So because I also have my genies are mine only. They did not understood because I died for my genie, the Korah, you can say. So When I died for Dakora, that means Dakona also you can say that Dakona. So when I died for my genie, it means I have not taken the Jewish Christianity or any Bible or Torah of Moses of Judaism God genies. Now I even get Da Vinci and DiCaprio because I'm also Da Vinci and I'm also Decrypta or Dickelsta something is the name because of the sin and case of the people. I'm not able to uh, know the truth. Someone just comes and says you must die, otherwise our family, our religion will be finished. Not they are not telling the truth, which I'm talking about. Like Kapluft, not Kapluft, Kapusta. Kapusta is the answer which I'm talking about. If you just try to understand Kapusta, then you will understand that they did something to the genies in the world, and they have done a wiring in my body. Like it's called, they put the thread. It's called thread means what? I'm trying to say something like a wire, which looks like wire, and they attached in my body. So nobody comes to know that they have made something like America or Canada, maybe Canada, because Statue of Liberty is also my wife. If anything, like if the wire is removed from my, not wire exactly, it's not called wire, it's called cotton thread, you can say. When the cotton thread is removed, automatically they will become pawn masters. They made something like this after playing the game. The Indian court made this. So I really want to know from the no. I love him. Maybe I love his family. Now let me just tell you about Kapluf. Kapluf meaning that Ahmed has never sinned. If you just try to understand the Kapluf word, what is the truth he is talking about, then you will understand what I'm talking. Another one is Kapusa. Another one is Kupusa. So Kapusa, most probably many things when I try to become true, those who wants to finish the world, they use Kapusa. Like Niranjan Kaur, who says that she is Torah from different planet, coming from different planet. Now Torah of Muslim Judaism genius, she did not even left Buddhism universe. Maulu. Nobody knows. They say that it has done by me only, because the sins and cases are given to me after they did something. Now I love Torah truly, who is me in the sense, my genies, my family. After I came inside the planet Earth from Muscat, Oman, like Dirfa, from the place I came, and I just showed you that from where I have come. You are hearing the voice here. I have come from, so I have come from Muscat, Oman. Now, genuinely, my wives, they confirm that they are my original true love forever wife. They never do adultery. They never do sin. They never do mistake. And I'm first genie. I never do sin. I never do mistake. They are genuinely officially married to me, and they understood that cold cast talking I do. Kolkas and Kupula witness they have to give, and they have to say that they are not Christian neither Jewish. They are only of true love, which Kolkas talking says, and then they also many things. So I'm sure that everyone has understood that what was the truth about uh, the world that the genies did. Genies in the sense Niranjan Kaur, who is in Satnam Kaur genie. So because of them, the world did maltreated me. Since 33 years, I was kidnapped. Because also of Muhammad Agha and Hussein Agha, last of Jews, last of Torah of Jews, since kid. My last of Torah are from moon actually, not from someone. There, and I love Jesus too. I love Moses too. Now the problem persists when the sins and cases are given to me, and I start to speak bad. When the sins and cases are not removed, nobody knows now in the Christianity and Judaism, like especially to Jewish heaven God daughter. Something happened to her, and something is attached in my body. Maybe I assume. Maybe I really don't know whether it has been done or not. Cotton thread, you can say. So. Uh, it's called sick, I think, sick something. So anyways, so when that has been done, when it is removed from my body, just like the circumcision mistake which the Nida or Diya they have done, when it is removed, the automatically the complete some Hindu genies gets, like complete Hindu genies, not some, they get cursed. Just like that, the after Jewish, something happened to Jewish heaven, God daughter. Maybe I assume that something like cotton thread has been attached. So from which, like, they are like not coming to know that some they are going to become pawn master or what. Because if something is not in their fate, if you don't believe in Torah truly, then if something is not in your fate and someone is making the fate of yours from my forehead, of Christian Jews and my true love, first genie, true love only for our wives, only true love for our wives of me, who when I say I'm first God, they become true automatically. They are mine without the use of this. So it means that someone is playing a beautiful game with Christians, Jews, and they did the Christian Jews. Then after that, they are trying to do with me, including one God of time, for bringing World War III, and for they already finished. They said we will ours is already finished, and we will do anything for bringing World War III. If he becomes alive, if he's not in jail, then we will be finished. So we will do the same thing by just like the Samnida Diya did by putting the cotton thread, not letting the Hindus to be affected. Some Hindus, you can say not Hindus, and that on the back side, they just try to use the thread, and they say it's not thread at all. It's the genie fabrication or something we will do. New technology, nobody comes to know that we did something to Christianity and Judaism, a real pawn master. When it is removed, if Ahmed becomes true, that fabrication will be not working on Ahmed, and we will force Ahmed to see adult videos and not let him to do sex. We will keep him in bad situations. I'm the only one who saved Christianity, Judaism, and Judaism. I am also Da Vinci and DiCaprio. DiCaprio. Because of the sin and case, the genie inside my body. They say you are not allowed to see or hear genies. You must not know who is who, and you cannot enter into the genie's world. I'm kidnapped in the room, in the home in Hyderabad since 33 years. Even I will levitate in front of you to prove that I'm true, and I will levitate here. And just levitated. And